Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this SmallRig RM75 RGB video light. It's an RGBWW full color portable light emitted diode light panel. That's really cool because it comes with 4000 mAh. That's a big battery built in, and you can adjust it from 2500 Kelvin up to 8500. So that's from warm white to neutral up to cold white. CRI is 96, the TLCI is N98. And we have a magnetic interface, so we can dock it on metal surface. And if you like, app control. That's really cool for vlogging and photography. The RGBWW LED video light is the first full-color smart video light launched by SmallRig that supports intelligent app control. And it is magnetic on all four sides. High-quality LED beads provide from 0 up to 100% brightness control. CRI 95, TLCI 98. The color temperature you can scale from 2500 up to 8500 in 360 degrees of hue. 100 level of saturation is possible. For example, we can download the SmallGoGo app. It's SmallRig GOGO app on our smartphone to achieve multi-video light control. Inside the app, we could control up to 50 light panels, and we can adjust the brightness, the color temperature from the hue 0 up to 360 degrees and saturation from 0 up to 100% according to our needs. The LED video light can last from 3 hours at 100% brightness level to 16 hours at 1% of brightness. This with the built-in large capacity of 4000 mAh battery are possible. It supports USB PD fast charging, and the LCD readout shows the remaining battery work in real time. We're removing the fear of running out of power at the wrong time, of course, because we can control and see how many power is left. The borderless ultra-thin body design is amazing cool, with magnetic on all four sides. It's supporting combining multiple RM75 video lights and fast light distribution for a variety of scenes. It allows us to place our light on the most metal surfaces to release our endless shooting possibilities and enhance creativity. The rugged all-metal chassis with the high-tech readouts and carbon fiber texture on the back presents an impressive and functional appearance. There is a quarter-inch thread on the body, compatible with the most tripods out there, with light stands and multi-light connection, etc. for it. So you can see this is really cool because it's a SmallRig. SmallRig is the branding, and it is a SmallRig for you to make good photo shooting, video shooting, and lighting. Everything what you need. One of the most interesting functions, we can point our phone's camera at a color. We capture it, and the light will reproduce it. RGBWW. Unlike traditional RGB, the RM75 isn't just a light that releases on red, green, and blue LEDs. By two additional white LEDs, this is the professional portable photography light here. And the CCT mode. We can go from 2500 Kelvin up to 8500. We can accurately choose any color temperature, what we need and what we like. And we have the FX mode. Lightning effect included paparazzi, firework, faulty bulb, lightning, television, pulsing, fire party, carbon car, and so on. And inside the app's HSI mode, we could adjust the hue from 0 to 360 and saturation from 01 to 100. This accords to our needs. And large capacity, long-lasting battery life, 100% run times is up to 3 hours, and at 1% it's up to 16 hours. And PD fast charging, 18 watt PD fast charging capability for a full charge in only 2 hours. That's fast and that's nice. We have a portable mini light. It's smaller than maybe our phone. 1/4-inch thread hole plus magnetic suction design gives full play to our creativity as we like. For example, we can dock it on our camera system, and we can add 2 of these LEDs cases on the first LED case by using the magnetic function. Magnetic 3 sides. Adhering the RM75 film light to metal surfaces where you like and as you like. And it's a portable mini light. It's small and nice. And we can use the SmallRig GoGo app. Advanced wiring, remote control technology, and rich intelligent lighting adjustment function are included in the app control. And smart light technology. Inside the app, we could control up to 50 light panels. And this is a big value, I think. SmallRig, founded in 2013. It designs and builds complete accessory solutions for content creators with camera, gimbals, and mobile phones. The accessions are widely used in live broadcasting, vlog, professional video production, and other fields supported by over 2 million creators worldwide. SmallRig is a pioneer in the user CO design, mode and dream rig program in the industry to co-design with global creators and make their big dream achievable. Thanks, SmallRig. That's a good fact. You can see you can control it via app control. You can control it via button control. And it's easy. And it makes a good job because it lights up a big range. And you can adjust it like you need. From gold to white, from orange to cold white, or all other RGB, red, green, and blue, and all between them colors are available. These are the SmallRig RM75. It's an RGB video light with additional 2 white colors, LEDs. Full color portable LED light panel for vlogging, photography, and all of the stuff where you need a little bit light. Or a big bunch of light if you buy up to 50 of them to control them via the app. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.